Hello, this is a video tour of 655 Natoma. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in the Soma district in San Francisco. Let's enter the building here. Okay, you have your mailboxes to the right. You enter through these secure gates, and we're going to walk up to the top level. This is a 1-bedroom plus office that's been recently renovated with lots of natural light. Please make sure to check our website, rentalsinsf.com, for pricing and availability. Okay, so here we are in the unit here. The bedroom is located towards the front of the building. Double pane windows. This is a view out the bedroom. This bedroom also has a good-sized closet. Here is the office. You have double pane windows as well as a nice big closet here. So plenty of storage in this apartment. Down just a little bit is the full bathroom. So you have a toilet. There's a sink, and here is your shower. Okay, this is the kitchen living room combination. It is an eating kitchen. You have a beautiful stone counters, stainless refrigerator, gas range, and there is a dishwasher here as well. There's gas heating for this apartment, and it's also located on the top floor. Just off the kitchen, you have a nice little deck. Beautiful views. And all the way down in the basement, there are shared laundry machines for the building. And these stairs will take you down to a small outdoor area. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thank you.